Welcome back to CountyLine TV. You guys have seen a huge build series on my dad's car here. You've seen pretty much every step of the way, from being bone stock with the rear cut off to him drifting it, and it has coils, angle, hydro, welded diff, rear arms, blah blah blah. It's a pretty squared away like seat time 350Z now, but it's time for a cage. So today we start. Right now I'm taking the steering wheel off. There's a safety T30s that you got to take off on each side. About to bust those out. We're gonna get quick release and a steering wheel and stuff on there and adjust his seat till he's comfortable with that. That way we know where the harness bar portion of the cage needs to be, and then we'll start bending, cutting, and welding and stuff. I'm pretty excited. It's a new day. We're back. Dad got his door panels on. Tell me those aren't sick. I think that's awesome. I really like those. This is missing the pins, so we gotta figure that out, but no big deal. I also, if you see, nope, you can't see over there. Anyway, I marked where the harness bar needs to be before we rip the seats out. That way we know how far back to set the cage, and also where height wise the harness bar needs to be. So now we're working on getting everything out of the car so we can actually start burning stuff in. So seats have come out, and then, sorry about the finger. Seats have come out, and we're about to rip out this plastic stuff because we're actually putting the cage up on this like shelf thing under here and not on the floor, because if it goes on the floor then the seat won't fit. If you have a 350Z, you probably already know that. You know. Also, is that a sock or a rag or what is that? Hey, we can't say that on YouTube. Come on. That's a dirty sock. That's gross. Ew.
That's his portion sock.
Oh, there's a second one. Ew. Whose socks are in this car? That's gross. The next step is actually bending some tubes and welding some plates into the car and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys how we do our tube bending around here. As Taylor Ray likes to say, we use some CAD, some cardboard aided design. We take these strips of cardboard that are very roughly, approximately, sometimes not the same, but close enough to 1.5 inches wide, and we make like a template, and then we bend our tube to that, and we hope. But it usually works pretty good. Some of our cages have come out freaking phenomenal. So like the last couple we've done have come out so good. So anyway, we're gonna do this, and I'll show you guys what the first piece looks like once it's all mocked up. We'll get right to it. So this right here is what roughly 1/2 of that roll bar is gonna look like, and that's for the main hoop. Let's bend some tube, make a main hoop. Don't mind what he's doing over there. You guys will see that thing on track soon. It's pretty buttoned up. It runs and drives. Has a welded diff and all that. The full PBM catalog. We've talked about it before. He's putting a header on it right now, and we just got to do a little bit of. Blow it up. we got to do a little bit of rudimentary tuning with the fuel pressure once we stick a wideband in there. Put nitrous on it. I think this is going to be a multi-part series, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Maybe I won't if it's too short. I guess you'll find out if this video keeps going. So with that being said, don't forget to tell your mom to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Hope you enjoy.